Hello friends, myself Professor V.D. Bhoknal, Associate Professor, Botany Department, KTHM College, now Nasik. Now today's topic is now fungi. Now classification of fungi according to Alexopoulos in 1962. Now according to Alexopoulos 1962, fungi it is generally divided into now two division. The division now mycota. This mycota or fungi it is divided into now two division, Myxomycotina and Eumycotina. Now see the Myxomycotina. Now myxomycetes, commonly known as now the slime molds, because the protoplasm is naked. Surrounding the protoplasm, now the cell wall is totally absent in case of myxomycetes or Myxomycotina. The amoeboid movement is present, and these amoeboid structures are known as plasmodium, multinucleate free living plasmodium, which is commonly seen in case of Myxomycotina. The fructification of many species is colorful. For example, now Stamonitis. Then Eumycotina, commonly known as true fungi. Now Eumycotina, it is again divided into four classes. These classes are as follows: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Now first, Phycomycetes, now commonly known as algal fungi, because majority of genera are aquatic in habitat. So due to this, these forms are known as algal fungi, because algae it is present in water. So it shows the close resemblance with that of algae. Example of Phycomycetes now, that is Rhizopus. Then Ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi, because the spores are produced in sac-like structure, and due to this nature, this fungi is generally known as sac fungi. Example now, that is the yeast or Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Then third, Basidiomycetes, commonly known as now the club fungi, because the spores are produced in bunches or in a group, and due to this, these forms are known as club fungi. Example of these now, that is Puccinia, or common name now, that is the rust, which is commonly observed on wheat and barberry plant. Deuteromycetes, known as imperfect fungi, because perfect stages are unknown, and all these forms are put into Deuteromycetes. That's why it is also commonly known as imperfect fungi. Example is Cercospora. Example is Cercospora. Next, now distinguishing characters of Phycomycete. Now in case of Phycomycete, the mycelium is aseptate. The spores are produced within special structure known as sporangia. The spores of Phycomycete is called the spore or conidia. Now the spore number in case of Phycomycete, that is indefinite. And examples of Phycomycete now, that is Albigo, it is also commonly known as Cystopus candidus, or it is also known as now the white rust. Second, mucor, commonly known as now the bread mold. Then third, now that is rhizophus. These are the examples of now phycomycete. Then next, distinguishing characters of ascomycete. The mycelium of ascomycete is septate. The spores are produced within a special structure known as ascus. The spore of ascomycete is called now the ascospore, and the spore number in case of ascomycete it is fixed, and that is now 8. And the examples of now the ascomycete, now the aspergillus, penicillium, neurospora, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly known as now yeast. These are the examples of ascomycete. Then the distinguishing characters of basidiomycete. The mycelium is septate. Then the spores are produced in a special structure known as basidia, and the spores of basidiomycete is called as basidiospores. Then the spore number in case of basidiomycete it is fixed, and now that is 4. Now the examples of basidiomycete, now that is agaricus, then Puccinia, commonly known as now the rust, then Pleurotus, now commonly known as Sajar Kaju, then the smut of now Jwar. These are the examples of now the basidiomycete. Next and the last, deuteromycete. Now the mycelium, it may be septate or it may be aseptate. When the form it is from phycomycete, when then it is now aseptate, and when the form it is from now ascomycete, basidiomycete, and now these forms are septate. Now the spores are produced within special structure, sporangia, ascus, and basidia. Then the spores of deuteromycete is called now conidia, spore, ascospore, basidiospore, etc. And the spore number is variable in case of deuteromycetes, because in case of deuteromycetes all imperfect stages forms they are put into within this category. When these form it is from phycomycete, then spore number is now indefinite. When this form it is from now ascomycete, basidiomycete, then the spore number is now fixed. So the spore number is variable in case of deuteromycetes. And now the examples of deuteromycetes are now Fusarium, Cercospora, Alternaria. These are the examples of now deuteromycete. Then now here, in case of these 4 classes, now Phycomycete, Ascomycete, Basidiomycete, and Deuteromycete. Now in case of Phycomycete, now the mycelium is aseptate. Then in case of Ascomycete, mycelium is now septate. While in case of these Basidiomycete, now mycelium is again now septate. While in Deuteromycete, it may be septate or it may be aseptate. Then regarding the now the spore number, in case of Phycomycete, spore number that is indefinite. Then in case of Ascomycete, spore number is fixed, now that is 8. Then in case of Basidiomycete, now there also the spore number is fixed, now that is 4. While in case of this Deuteromycete, spore number is now variable. Then now the spore. Now the spore of Phycomycete known as spore conidia etc. While the spores of now Ascomycete known as ascospore and the spores of now Basidiomycete known as basidiospores. Then again now in case of Deuteromycete it may known as now this spore, conidia, then now ascospore, basidiospore. Now it depends upon the type of form. Then in case of Phycomycete, the spores are produced within sporangia or conidiophore. While in case of Ascomycete, spores are produced within a special structure ascus. While in case of Basidiomycete, the spores are now produced within a now basidia, and in case of deuteromycete it is variable according to the type of now this organism. So it is regarding the classification of fungi. That's all. Thank you.